At last, I received your package. Thank you so much, my bestie Zelda. So here it is. Let's begin. First of all, before I begin, I'd like to say thank you very much to my bestie in Singapore. At last, I received your package. Thank you so much, my bestie Zelda. So here it is. Let's begin. This is not a sponsor product. This is a package, a little gift from my friend from Singapore, which is Zelda. She always buy me some stuff whenever she travels in Korea. So thank you very much, my bestie. Shout out to you. So let's begin. I'm so excited what's inside. Okay. Oh, begin. Oh, it's a bag. So this one. It's a very cute tote bag. I love Korea. Bag from South Korea. It's a tote bag, very cute one. It says I love Korea. So this one. So inside, I think there must be some goodies inside. So let's open it. So first one is. This one is my favorite when I was staying in Singapore for 8 or 10 years. This is the Irving's, very popular one. So I think this one costs like $20. Thank you so much, Zelda, for buying this for me. This one's, I really like it. My favorite. It's a salted egg potato chips. So this one, my favorite. That's the first one. That one is from Singapore. And this one, oh, this one is the second one. This is from Korea. It's a figurine like that. Well, when Zelda is in Korea, I asked her that she buy for me a very cute figurine. Well, this one is the perfect one she gave to me. Thank you so much. I really like it. Me and my husband. Okay. And the third one is. She never forget my favorite color is red, so she gave me this pouch, the very cute one. I really like it because it's kind of crochet style with a flower in it. I really like it. And matcha. Wow, thank you again. So all the stuff that you bought for me, all my favorite. You still know me after a very long time. So this one is from South Korea, Jeju matcha latte. Okay. Thank you, friend. So I will try this one, and every day I'm going to drink it. And drinking a matcha latte can detoxify your body. So I really like this one. No need for me to buy here because I have this one. And this one is a keychain heart. Thank you. I like it. Thank you. And the other is socks. Okay. And there's a secret little pouch here. So I don't know, maybe something very special that my bestie packed for me. So let's open it with you guys. Thank you so much, friend. This is a charm bracelet. It's called Love. And the other one, which is my bestie really knows me well, is a bracelet charm. See, it's a red one. I really like it. And with a Hello Kitty in it. So thank you, friend. I'm so lucky that I have a bestie like Zelda because she knows what I want and what are my favorites. Okay, thank you. So overall, I got 3 Lucky Charm bracelets from South Korea. So thank you so much. And they're still inside, guys. So she packed for me a lot of things.
No.
This one too is my favorite. back when I'm staying in Singapore, I used to cook like kangkong leaves, any vegetable leaves, and I use this sauce. This is my favorite. It's a sambal belacan. It's a cooking sauce. Okay, like that. Very nice. I like this one. I miss this already. I cannot find this in any Asian market here in US, but hopefully I will find it soon. Okay, belacan, sambal belacan. Okay. The other one that my bestie bought for me in South Korea is this comb, mirror comb here. So this one. Okay. Thank you so much, friend. I really like all the items that you bought for me. Okay. So this one. Okay. So this. Okay, I like it. I'm gonna bring it every time I go out or hang out with some friends and bring this one. It's kind of compact. Okay, like this. Okay. So this one like this. This is the one from South Korea, and still have inside. Oh, this one too is a power bank from my bestie. Thank you so much, friend, because I asked her a favor. So inside, let's open it later. Oh, this one's kind of special again. So this one got my name, Leia. That's it's a cute keychain. I think I remember my bestie asked me about if I want a keychain when she's staying in Korea, and I asked her any keychain will do, and she asked me this one. And the meaning of the writings in this one is called, if I'm not mistaken, I remember it's a lucky keychain. It's a lucky keychain. Yeah, writing's a lucky keychain. So I really like it. All the items that my bestie sent to me, all the items that comes from Korea, and also my favorite potato chips from Singapore. And I'm lucky that I have this beautiful tote bag. Thank you so much, friend. So shout out to you again, that I cannot say thank you very, very much to you. Hopefully next year I will be seeing you soon, and we'll meet up and have some nice talking and laughing each other soon. So I forgot to mention to you, I did pay a little extra fee in receiving this package from Singapore because of the tariff here in US. So if you're receiving a package or a gift from any other countries, you have to pay an extra fee. I pay like $22 because it's from DHL, and they send me a message that due to tariff, blah blah blah, and I have to pay an extra fee because it's a product from other country that needs to be shipped here. So that's it. I paid $22 to be exact. And also, according to my bestie, when she's sending it to here, it's kind of strict, a US policy that you have to know the content of the product they're sending here. Seems like an inspection, so if there are no specific ingredients on that product, it's not gonna be allowed by the courier to be sent here. So that's the kind of note that if you're gonna receive a parcel or a package from other country, from your families or friends. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or add something. Bye.